What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG Models Lufthansa Cargo 777F. This was one of the models that I got through the exchange program for free. Just exchanged, the points that I built up. And yeah, so I decided to get this, not as a replacement, but kind of as an addition to the fact that I have a Lufthansa Cargo, but in the old livery, and I figured, well, it'd be nice to get a new livery one, and this was one of the ones, I think one of 3 that NG had done at the time, whenever it was, whichever batch it was, but this was the only one in the plain, just the regular livery, no special markings or anything. Now, this says Konnichiwa Japan, it's just the name of the aircraft on it. But this was a Delta Alpha Lima Foxtrot, and yeah, no idea what that is. I apologize for that noise, guys. But let's get right on into it. Here we go. Here's the box. Love the sort of checkered pattern on it. The dark blue and yellow and gray and white. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this is probably going to be a pretty quick one, as there's not going to be a whole lot to go over. It's a very basic looking aircraft and very plain, but I figured I'd make the video nonetheless, as it's, it's content and I like to do it no matter what. I like to take a look at these aircraft. So here we have the model. Oh, she is, ooh, it is a little stuck in there. Oh boy, oh, shoot. Gotta be careful trying to get it out. There we go. Oh wow, very, very nice. Very clean look. And so with these exchange models, I'm sure some of you guys have noticed with it, they don't actually provide they don't give you a card in it, and I would assume that's just because it's like, oh well, you got a free model, I'm gonna give you points on it, which I guess makes sense. But here we have the aircraft, and looks, pretty good, pretty basic white body, the dark, tail and the Lufthansa logo. But yeah, so let's get right on into it. NG Models, fantastic 777 mold, looking really, really detailed and really good around the nose there. You got the Lufthansa logo and the cockpit windows and whatnot all around here, looking very nice. Some good markings and whatnot. Got Foxtrot on the gear door, and the gear looking really nice as well. Got the only door, or main door, on this aircraft right there, and then you have Boeing 777 freighter, Konnichiwa Japan, and then the Japanese translation of that right there. Lufthansa cargo titles, very nice, and then a bunch of the sort of static ports, etc., etc. right there. On the top, you can see there's the marking for the beacon right there, and then you got the one antenna there, and Satcom antenna, I believe that's what that would be right there, and then some other antennas. So just moving back along, you got those beautiful G90s right here, looking very nice. The solid state ones, actually, yeah, solid state, looking really nice, and detailed. And then the good old 777 wings, that pointed wingtip, very, very nice. NG does a good job with these. The highlight of this aircraft, the main cargo door right there for the upper deck, and looking fantastic. Got the registration and the German flag right there, and then you got the tail with the Lufthansa logo, the bird right there. Tail cone looking very nice with the APU hole right there, very, very nice. Horizontal stabilizers all looking pretty good. Ooh, looks like, oh. It's not interesting. Okay, that was out a little bit. It's not loose. It just looks like it. Yeah, it's not like loose, and it's not. It can't come out again. But it looks like it wasn't flush against it. And I just pushed it in there, and that was fine. No problem there. No biggie. Problem solved, just like that. And then yeah, just the registration, and then the you got the bulk board there, cargo door. The engines, take a look at it, nose on, very, very nice. I love the 777 freighter. It's just a LR basically, 200 LR, but cargo. Top down view, and the bottom just plain and simple. So yeah, guys, I know this was a pretty quick one, but that's really it for this model. I'm super excited to have it in the collection, and yeah. So if you guys did enjoy, please smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that, guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care.